Good morning everybody! I am so excited to be here with you today to share my Get Ready With Me skincare edition. But before I get into that, I would like to just quickly introduce myself. So my name is Annette and I'm from the beautiful Auckland, New Zealand. I've been in business for about nearly 2.5 years, and I started at a time where my partner and I have recently gotten engaged and we were saving for a wedding. I had recently found out about the business opportunity through someone that I didn't know at the time online, and how she was mentioning about the business opportunity on social media. So I just thought that I'd reach out to her because we were looking for another income to help us save for our big day, which finally happened in April this year, 2021, with a few delays because of COVID, but we got there in the end. And yeah, I've been just doing the business ever since. I still do it around a day job during the day, and I love how I managed to grow my business online, and yeah, I've just really enjoyed it so far. So I just thought that I would start off telling you guys about my skincare routine. So I'm just put a couple of products that I love and use really regularly during the morning on the table here, and I'm actually going to demonstrate how they work. So the first one I'm going to be using is the Lumi Spa for deep cleansing of the skin. But before that, I'm just going to pop my hair up and away from my face. So it's so important for you guys to start cleansing your face in the morning and at night as well, just to get rid of any kinds of impurities, any pollutants, dead skin, germs, bacteria off your skin surface. Now, our Lumi Spa is super special. The reason for that is because it actually is able to move your pores to jostle out impurities that may be clogging your pores. And I'll show you a little bit about how that works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the moisture mist to spritz my face to add some moisture onto it, some water, but you can equally use water if you want to. So the moisture mist is really great because it helps your skin cells retain moisture, keep them nice and plump and things like that. And all you do need on your Lumi Spa is a little bit of a cleanser like that, just a pea-sized amount. And what you're going to do is you're just going to run it over each quarter of your face. Really easy to use, and it's really soft on the skin. The head is made with a antibacterial silicone, which is really awesome. It's really gentle on the skin as well. So as you can see, the Lumi Spa is able to jostle the pores, switching them back and forth, really moving out all those dead skin and impurities, and as well as the germs and all that kind of stuff that can cause acne. So it's really fast, 2 minutes per treatment, and it also offers 7 benefits to your skin. My favorite being cell regeneration, especially because before I started using the Lumi, my skin was looking really dull, and what I later learned was that was because all the dead skin was just accumulating on top of my new regenerated skin. So now I've just rinsed my face and also just patting it dry before I move on to the next step. So the next step I'm going to use is the toning step. So before I get ahead and use this, I'm just going to go grab a cotton pad. Now, this toner is just amazing because it contains AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. And as you guys can see, it's like a very silky smooth formula. It's not oil based, and it's just really nice on your skin. I love this, especially when using it before I go out or apply makeup to my face, because it keeps my skin really oil free. The toner also helps balance the pH of your skin while also preventing oil buildup throughout the day. The AHAs in it help with skin cell turnover as well, and help unglue dead skin cells from your skin surface, so your nice newborn skin is really fresh underneath. The BHAs help dissolve all of the build-up within your pores before they turn to acne, and help decongest your skin as well. So really, really good, really easy to use. Yeah. So after the toning step, I like to go in with my Ideal Eyes cream. And I use it on the Lumi Ascent. So I just swap over my Lumi Spa head and pop on the Ascent for my eyes. Got there in the end. And what I like to do is dot my eye cream around the bottom. So the reason why you want to use eye cream is because the skin layers underneath your eyes are a lot thinner than the rest of your face, and the pores underneath your eyes are also a lot thinner than the rest of your face. So you don't want to be using your face cream under your eyes because it can clog the under eye area. This particular eye cream is also part of our Age Lock range. So in the Age Lock range, you've got the Lumi Spa that I've talked about before, this one right here, and the day cream that I'm going to show you next. And the reason why I absolutely love the Age Lock range, it's because the ingredients in these products target the source of aging, which is inside our skin cells. So it actually helps our skin cells appear more youthful, more vibrant from its source, so within the skin cell nucleus itself. So this is what the cream looks like, and you can see that it's just really thin, pillowy, and so silky. Great for your under eyes. So I like to just dot it on like this. Just like that. And then also under my brow as well. This particular ID Eyes also includes a really powerful vitamin C. The actual scientific word for it is very long, so I might just insert it right here. And what this does is it helps with the aging of the under eye, so it helps with pigmentation, smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. So this is really, really awesome. It used on the Ascent means that this is able to help depuff the under eyes. So if you suffer from, you know, like puffy under eyes, eyes that don't look, you know, quite awake or energized and look quite tired, then this is for you. So it is a treatment, and I just go underneath just like that. Really, really easy. So the last part of my morning skincare routine is going in with a moisturizer. So I really love the Radiant Day Age Lock Moisturizer, the one that's right here. I just find that it just absorbs so nicely into the skin. You know, a lot of my skin concerns come from having product not really like feel absorbed in my skin, and for that product to just sit on top of the skin surface, which is something that I really experienced when I used skincare before I started with new skin. So this one here looks a bit like this, and you can just see it's just so nice. It has a little bit of shimmer on it that helps your skin glow. So normally I just apply it to the pores of my face. And this also has SPF in it, so I don't need to worry about applying additional SPF. This is actually the same moisturizer that I used on my wedding day, because I love the way it sits underneath makeup. Makeup just goes through so smoothly on it, and it also photographs really well. So I actually got my partner to also take a tube to get himself ready on our wedding day, just because, you know, our wedding was outdoor and I didn't want him to get sunburnt, and I wanted his skin to look amazing on the day as well. So I just start with just gently putting it in circular motions on my face. And you can see how that just goes and absorbs in so well, and it's so easy as well. One of the ingredients that I really want to talk about, part of this Age Lock Radiant Day Moisturizer, is an ingredient called hexapeptide 2. And now why this ingredient is so phenomenal and so important is because it slows down the production of melanin on your skin. So everyone knows as you age, you can get a lot of aging spots, sun pigments and things like that. For myself, I have got quite frickly skin, so it's really important for me to be able to have a product that will help slow the melanin in my skin to prevent more aging spots and things like that from growing and appearing on my face. Alongside with this, just like the eye cream and just like the Lumi Spa that I talked about, they're all part of the Age Lock range, which is helping anti-aging at its source rather than covering up the signs of aging. So it really helps deliver ingredients to our skin cells nucleus to reverse those signs of aging where it starts at the source, which is inside our cells nucleus. So that is me. Now I'd be ready to just begin my day or apply some makeup onto my face. And yeah, I hope you guys have really enjoyed my Get Ready With Me skincare edition, and I hope you guys managed to get some value from it. Have a beautiful day, and I will catch you again later.